which are the things we are supposed to take it as inadmissible expenses. While calculating total income, then you are supposed to consider it is exempted. If you added depreciation which is in the table, if it is in the adjustment, we are supposed to minus. A warm welcome to one and all. This is your Adasa here, lecturing Vidhyaashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence. Now we are discussing your session 6, unit 4 of tax management 2. In this, we are discussing the topic called assessment of company. Almost we are in the end, our last topic of your assessment of company. We will work out and we will solve one question paper problem from your previous year. Your agenda is very simple. We will work out problems on assessment of companies. Now, following is the profit and loss account of PQR Limited. The year ended 2019 and 20. These are the informations are there. As you know that which are the things we are supposed to take it as inadmissible expenses. Now, again I'll repeat that any provisions, any reserves, depreciation if you have adjustment, any taxation other than excise, your VAT, GST, other than that any taxes, and any personal expenses, any donations. If the donation given for business or trade purposes, we will not consider. Other than that, all the donations will come. Donations and anything like your commissions, like commission in case of shares. So in that 80% will be considered as disallowed. Now, other than this, everything we are supposed to consider. Now, so what are the disallowed? Now, provisions, yes, because we have word called provisions. Rent and taxes, no. Fire insurance, no. Entertainment, no. Depreciation, yes. Donation to charity, yes. Why depreciation is yes? Why? Because see your adjustment. In the adjustment, we have depreciation. So, whatever given in the table, we are supposed to add, and whatever given in the adjustment, we are supposed to minus. Reserve for doubtful debts, yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. Entertainment will not come. These are the things we are supposed to consider as disallowed. 1, 2, 3, as well as 4. There are 4 things are there which comes under disallowed. Whatever items comes under other head income will go for that. So it will be 6,50,000, 68, 78, 86 and 36. We'll make small correction in the question. In this, take it as 12,500 so that the total will match. I'll show you. 6,50,000, 18,000, 12,500 and 50,000. Yes, 7,30,500. Now, so we'll make it as 12,500. In this, which are the items comes under other head income? What are the other head incomes like? Other than your gross profit, other than discount, commission, everything comes under other head income. Again, I'll repeat. Other than gross profit, discount, commission, or your GST refund, or your excise duty refund. These are called as your business related income. Other than this, like profit on sale of machinery, other head income, it comes under what? Long-term capital gain. Interest on government security comes under what? Your income from other source. Dividend received, it comes under income from others. So even though it is exempted, but it comes under income from other source. Hope you got it. Yes, good. Now, so we'll write one by one. Additional informations they have given. One is machinery were purchased in August 17 and sold in March 2020. I'll come back to that. Depreciation, as you know that as per the IT, it is 20,000. And compute total income of the company. Easiest one. We are supposed to find out only what? Total income. Now, so the heading will be what? Computation of business income. What is the assessment year? Your assessment year and previous year. Assessment year 2020 and 21. Previous year 2019 and 20. Now, so same, the particular column will be like, this will be particular and this will be amount. And we have to consider net profit first. In the beginning, always we have to go with net profit. So this will be net profit. So what is your net profit? I'll go back to your question. Your net profit is 3,43,100. So it will be 3,43,100. Now add disallowed, or else we can call it as inadmissible expenses. Inadmissible expenses. What are the inadmissible expenses? We already marked here. First one, provision for taxation, 1,50,000. Provision for taxation. Provision for taxation, 1,50,000. Next, after that we have depreciation, 30,000. So depreciation, 30,000. Next is what? After depreciation, we have donation and charity, 3,500. Donation and charity, 3,500. After that we have, next one is what? Reserve for doubtful debts, 5,500. Reserve for doubtful debts, reserve. So how much we have? 5,500. So it will be 5,500. Hope there is no doubt up to this. What are the other head income? We'll go for that. Less other head incomes. What are the other head incomes in this? I'll show you. 1, 2, 3. Profit on sale of machinery, interest on government security, dividend received from Indian company. So, first one, profit on sale of machinery. Profit on sale of machinery. Then we have interest on government security. Interest on government security. And we have dividend received from Indian company. Dividend received. Even though it is exempted, here we don't consider. While calculating tax, while calculating total income, then you are supposed to consider it is exempted. But while calculating your business income, we don't consider exempted or taxable here. Now, what is the value? The value will be 18,000, 12,500, 18,000, 12,500, and what is the last one? 50,000. So what is the total? We'll see the total now. 1,50,000 plus 30 plus 3,500 plus 5500. 1,89,000. So this will be how much? 18,000 plus 12,500 plus 50. It will be 80,500. So what is the answer? Remember, this has to be add, this has to be subtract. 3,43,100 plus 1,89,000 minus 80,500. So 4,51,600. 4,51,600. Hope you are clear. Yes, our total is 3,43,100 plus 1,89,000, 80,500. So it will be like, again I'll calculate, 1,50,000 plus 30,000 plus 3,500 plus 5,500. 1,89,000. So it will be 343,100 plus 189,000 minus 8,500. Yes, I got 4,51,600. This is called your business income. Hope you are clear up to this. Now we'll go for total income. So your total income. What is your total income? Simple. Income from salary, income from house property, income from business or profession, income from capital gain, income from other sources. These are the 5 heads we have. Always remember, while doing your income from business or income like assessment of your company, income from salary always nil. You never get income from salary. Income from house property. Go back to your question. See only right side, credit side. Is there anywhere income from your house property? No. So it will be what? Nil. This will be nil. Income from business or profession. Just now we calculated. What is that? So this will be 4,51,600. 4,51,600. Income from capital gain. Again, go back where you are supposed to search. Right side. It will be like 18,000. So it will be 18,000. Income from other source. I'll show you that. Income from other source. Interest on government security 12,500. Dividend exempted. You're not supposed to take. Only we are having 12,500. 12,500. Add this. So what is the total? The total is 451,600 plus 18,000 plus 12,500. I got 4,82,100. If there is anything like donations, you are supposed to minus. Do we have any donations? I'll check. Yes, we have donation and charity 3,500. Minus that 3,500. Remember, they have not mentioned what kind of donation. Like, if it is related to like Prime Minister, Rajiv Gandhi, Indira Gandhi, or Jawaharlal Nehru, we are supposed to go for half donation. Here nothing is mentioned, so we assume as 100%. 4,82,100 minus 3,500. I got 4,78,600. This we call it as your total income. Now, so hope you understood. The assessment of company is the easiest topic. So easily you can understand for your exam purpose. Without fail, you are supposed to attend assessment of company. Now, I will go out of the screen. You can take screenshot. Problem number 8. Your question part, your adjustment, your solution. So in this solution, remember one thing we have not considered. What is that? Remember, again go back. Depreciation admissible as per IT law. Every time we miss, that is a reason why, because it is an adjustment. If you added depreciation which is in the table, if it is in the adjustment, we are supposed to minus. Now, how much you have? 20,000. Now what you are supposed to do changes. One more thing you are supposed to add here. I'll show you. Now, so what is the depreciation? I'll show you. Minus depreciation as per adjustment. You can take it separately, or else you can write it under other head, income also. So how much we have depreciation? 20,000. 20,000. So how much you will get? 4,31,600. 4,31,600. The same thing if you consider here also, you are supposed to consider like 4,31,600. Your final total will differ. I'll show you that. 4,31,600 plus 18,000, it will be 4,49,000 plus 12,500, 4,62,100. So this will be 62,100 minus 3,500, 4,58,000. This much only. There was a difference of 20,000. We sorted out. Why? Because we always miss the adjustment part. We are supposed to consider that adjustment part also. Why? Because once depreciation is there in the adjustment, so whatever given in the table, add, whatever given in the adjustment, deduct. Remember that. So I'll go out of the screen. You can take screenshot. Now this will be like 4,31,000 and this will be your calculation. You got 4,62,100 minus your donation. So this is all about your today's class. Hope you understood. Yes, this is all your assessment of companies. This much more than sufficient for your examination. Whatever problems I worked out, it is all based on your question paper pattern only. So this is sufficient for your exam purpose. Thank you.